Welcome to MarineMax Clearwater. This is Brian Bachman, and today I'll be doing a brief walkthrough video of the 2018 Harris 240 Cruiser pontoon boat. This is a tri-toon that offers incredible performance. See, this boat has a beautiful black sapphire exterior finish with platinum accent striping. And we'll step aboard and give a little tour. Immediately you'll notice the very spacious layout. Extremely nice fit and finish with the French gray interior with diamond stitching. Storage underneath all the seats. Moving back, this does have the optional table with 4 pedestal seats. Very comfortable captain's chair at the helm. And this boat is equipped with a 5-inch Go 5 Simrad. That unit is a chart plotter and depth finder as well. Fusion stereo, full array of analog gauges. Stepping back a little bit, we'll see the very expansive 12-foot bimini top. Moving back, we do have additional seating on the starboard side with storage in the port quarter. This boat's also powered by a Mercury 154-stroke outboard. We do have a swim platform in the back and the upgraded boarding ladder, which is actually extra wide, and a double top step to make reboarding the vessel very comfortable and easy for you. If you'd like more information about this boat or any others, please feel free to give us a call. Again, this is Brian Bachman at MarineMax Clearwater. I can be reached at 813-503-2649, so give us a call. Come on down, see this boat or any others we have in stock in person, or schedule a demo today. Thanks, and look forward to seeing you on the water.